Hello everyone, Labdeep Kehal here. And I know I'm posting a video after too many days because I was busy in taking classes and all that. But I want to share a news with you people. The good news is that I am selected as a doubt clearing faculty at Unacademy. Yes, Unacademy. Unacademy is the largest online education platform in India. If you want to know more about Unacademy, I will leave a link in the description below about Unacademy. And one more good news is that I received a surprise package from Unacademy which I want to show you. So let me see what I received. Here are the packages I received from Unacademy. As you can see, I received three parcels. So as you can clearly see from the packages that it is from Unacademy Sorting Hat Technologies. Okay, and my name is written as a receiver. Okay, Unacademy is clearly mentioned over there. On this package, again Unacademy, my name. On this side, it is again Unacademy, and this packaging is blank, I think. Yes. So let us open all these boxes. I will need my scissor to open the box as I am not having any cutter with me. So okay, so let us see what is inside this packaging. Okay, so there are two t-shirts actually, and Unacademy is written on these t-shirts. These are very iconic t-shirts which every educator wants to wear, I think. If I open these t-shirts, okay, the stuff is nice. Okay, so good quality clothing, I think. Okay, so this is t-shirt. So they sent actually two t-shirts, which is a nice gesture from Unacademy. Let us open the next box. Okay, I think some clothing is there also. So it might be a jacket. I want to share a story with you. Actually, first of all, they want to send only the t-shirts to me. So and मैंने बोला कि पगला गए हो क्या? यहाँ पंजाब में तो मैं जम जाऊंगा अगर सिर्फ टी शर्ट्स पहन के वीडियो जो बनाऊंगा. तो आई आस्क फॉर अ जैकेट. आई थिंक दिस इज दैट जैकेट. This is there is again the logo of Unacademy over there, and it is also looking nice stuff from inside also. So thank you Unacademy for listening to me. Otherwise I might have freezed making videos wearing those t-shirts. Okay, the next package is what? Let me check it. So let me open this up. Okay, so this is actually a pen tablet which Unacademy sent to its every educator, as we have to make videos. Every educator have to make videos writing something. Okay, so it is for that purpose, I guess. Okay, so this is XP pen tablet, and its name is, yes, it is XP pen Star G960 graphic tablet. Okay, so let us open this up. Okay, so a USB wire is over there, I think. Yes, so it will be used to connect to the laptop or any other PC on which we want to work, and some nibs. Okay, first of all, this is the pen with which we write on the pad, which will be showed on the mobile screen or PC screen or laptop screen. Okay, it is a good instrument to teach online. So thank you again Unacademy for this package. Okay, one more thing is there. So this is the package I received from Unacademy. I think I should make a video to show the working of this uh, pen tablet. I will. This is how this pen tab works. As you can see, there are four arrows. Actually, this is the working area here. Four keypad keys are also there, which are specified to different certain functions. If I write anything on this pad, it will get actually retraced on the laptop screen. If I just write let physics, it will show that thing. Okay. We can also choose certain numbers, certain colors, sorry, and also certain sizes. So I personally like this color. देखिए, if I write my name, it looks very cool. So we can erase also. Actually, if you can see, here is a button on the pen. If we click it once, it will act as a pen, and if we click it twice, it will work as an eraser. Let me show you how it works as an eraser. Okay, you can see I can also use it as an eraser. So I think this is a very good tool for online teaching and for making presentations or drawings. So I again thank you Team Unacademy for sending me this pen tab and also the t-shirts and jackets. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Thank you.